G'day, my name's Martin Gillespie from Hawker Richardson. Today I'm going to do a quick demonstration of the Kolver socket tray in combination with the Kolver DC Electric screwdriver with error proofing. We've got an enclosure here that has 4 screws. 2 are Phillips head, 2 are flat blade type. The 2 Phillips head have got a torque of 1 Newton metre, the 2 blade type have a torque of 0.6 Newton meters. So until I select the screwdriver bit, the screwdriver is disabled. So for the first screws I'm going to select our Phillips screwdriver bit and I'm going to run down the first 2 screws. Put it into forwards and reverse. We get an OK signal, screw 1. We get an OK signal for screw 2. Now, I can't drive these screws in because I haven't selected the correct screwdriver bit. So I'll put that one back, select our blade type screwdriver bit, put him in. Okay. Yep. Okay. Now my screwdriver is disabled again and it won't work until I select the Phillips screwdriver bit for the next 2 rundowns. So that quickly is a demonstration of the Kolver socket tray.